Hello everybody, welcome back to our Reset Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily change the survivor controls in Dead by Daylight. So first, what you guys want to do is go over to the options. Now in those options, go over to controls. And here we will have the survivor controls, such as mouth, the sensitivity, and also the controller sensitivity. So here we can change it. Also the interaction behavior, we can set it to toggle or hold depending on what we want. And here we also have the run to cancel. So whenever you have it toggled or even hold it, you're holding the button and you want to run away, then basically you guys can enable it right here. So that's basically it. I hope this video helped you. If it did, then leave a like, sub and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.